What up, condos?
What up?
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to do the nursery reveal. We decided that we're going to show you guys. We weren't originally because we're still waiting on a few things to come, but we'll just show you them when they come.
Yeah, it's basically finished and only a couple things left, but
yes,
it's pretty much finished, like you said.
Oh, Georgie.
Georgie's asleep.
We're going to show you everything, tell you where it's from, but before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell button and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below in the comments, and you can also hashtag the condos on any of our Instagram accounts for extra points. Cool, let's go check it out.
Gotta get those extra points, man. One quick close-up of Georgie because he's so damn cute. Hi, baby. Oh, a little bit scrunched up little face there, but Georgie. Georgie. Georgie, you're awake. Hey, baby. Mummy and Daddy were just filming your nursery. Do you love it? We're going to come and show you. Ready? No? Ready to come? Oh, yes. What is it? Come on, Georgie. Oh. Gonna do a roll? Are you going to roll over? Oh, no, he's pulling. Come on, get it out. Get it out. Oh, get it. Move it, get it, oh yes. What are you looking at? Yes, Georgie. Come and look at the nursery, you ready? You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, this is it.
Here we are, guys. Georgie, look. Do you like it?
Should we take a family selfie? Let me take a selfie.
So you got, there's our neon sign that we were telling you about. Well, didn't tell you about, but then
Ready?
kind of did. We're taking a selfie.
Yeah. Georgie,
Well, just let me film first. Come on, where's Wally's wife? Just let me film, 1 second. Look how nice that looks. Oh my god, I love that. There's the sign. There's our card. This is from Babyhood. It's like acrylic. It's amazing. Yes, Georgie. Oh, the big yawn.
You should video each of it. Get rid of that.
Georgie's foot.
Nick, move his foot.
Georgie's foot.
Nick,
where's Georgie's foot?
It's supposed to be a reveal. You're not doing. You're a very shit cameraman. So this is his socks, shoes, and bibs drawer. Did we show this one properly?
Yes, we did just then.
Okay. And then I don't know if we've got this. Oh, it's not nice. Hang on, let me fix it.
Oh my god.
This is his pants.
People
drawer.
get it. There's drawers.
No, this is his pants.
Pants drawer. Okay, I get it.
Oh no, I had folded that really bad. Okay. And then I don't know what's in the other drawer.
So people are gonna have OCD if they don't see what the last drawer is. Move.
It's like hats and
swaddles.
random stuff.
Random stuff.
Random drawer.
You're random. Eyes up. Tell them about the wallpaper. Where'd you find this?
So this wallpaper is a special print because I was obsessed with that kind of like fine china look. It's very Dior inspired, and I searched everywhere because I wanted like a jungle theme but with that blue and white print. And I bought this off an artist, and then I turned it into a swaddle, a wallpaper. I used it on his cake. You just want to what?
I don't want to put the light in his eyes.
Oh, okay, so I've used this in everything Georgie related. Nick, don't, that's mean.
Come on, Georgie. Hold this.
It's hard to film a YouTube video with a newborn because Nick took so long to record everything. So as I was saying, this wallpaper is yeah, I found it from an artist online and I got it made into a wallpaper, a cake, a swaddle, everything. Like I'm just using this print. It's Georgie's print now. The neon sign, which is very bright right now, that is from the baby shower. It says baby condo. Just a little memento from there.
What's next?
Okay, so this is a babyhood cot, which we're in love with because it has so many uses. So you can actually turn it into a bassinet, so it can be smaller and more round. You can also make it into a toddler bed. Georgie's really hungry. As well as a table and chair. So when they like grow up, this like separates, and the mattress is actually in 3 pieces. And then you have like a table section and then the 2 seats. We can do like a little video. Like I think we need to do a video.
Yeah, we'll do a video specifically for that.
How good this cot really is. This is also from Babyhood in the Kahlua range. So this is a change table as well as a drawers, which is really awesome. So both products are from Babyhood. The carpet we got from Target. This is really
Georgie,
hard.
come on!
He wants to eat. He wants to eat.
Georgie, give me 2 seconds. 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 2 seconds.
That's from Target. So no, Target? Is it Target?
Yeah, Target.
These are also from Target. So
You
we
love
just
them.
thought it adds to the jungle theme. This is his dirty laundry basket. Then this is a really sick bin that we got as a
Really
gift.
sick bin, eh? No, it's good. It's like
It like
self-containing. It's like
yeah, so you don't get any of the smells. What else we've got? We've got this amazing chair.
Georgie.
We have this amazing chair. Oh, I'm so sore still. We have this amazing chair from Rocking Baby Chair. Oh,
Guys,
should I just feed
just give us 1 second.
Maybe I can put on my singlet and just feed him. And you just record me.
Oh, good idea. That escalated really quickly, and we're back. So tell us about, where do we get this little tent thing? What do you call it?
He's hurting me. It's a canopy.
Canopy.
You good, Georgie? Why is his foot out? You don't dress him properly. Are you serious?
I didn't know his foot was out. He wriggles.
Canopy is from Adairs. It was actually from their new range, so you can get it now. They're actually really cute. I like it above the rocking chair. I think it just adds something. The chair that I'm currently rocking on is from Rocking Baby Chairs. And then
Beautiful chair. Beautiful chair.
these are from Bell Living & Co.
These are so nice. These
So they're really good storage boxes and they just like add a little atmosphere.
Where's a little ant from?
TK Maxx, I love the ant. I just think it adds something.
We need something here.
I've got a few ideas. We'll add those in the next vlog.
Okay. And what have we got here? Where's this from? Where's it from?
So it's from Divine Design. So she's actually an interior designer on the Gold Coast, and she creates these like little wooden things, and then the flowers are from like Kmart, Maya. I just kind of
You just buy a whole heap and then put it
I
together
kind of just
yourself.
went everywhere and anywhere. And yeah, and then there's some of Georgie's outfits that's on display. So the inspo for this nursery, as I was saying before, because I don't know, oh jeez, yeah, wait, he just came off. The inspo of this nursery was kind of a bohemian luxe vibe, kind of like what we've got downstairs. So it's still like glam and luxurious, but with a hint of jungle. That's why we've got
A hint of jungle. Alright.
So that's why we've got the blue and the white print, and then just by adding that little bit of green, it really gets those jungle vibes.
Oh my god.
And it's like a circus, because if you guys actually,
You are a circus. You're,
If
the,
you look
you're the
at-
head clown.
if you look at the wallpaper, the monkey's holding an umbrella, which really mimics the canopy, the hanging things, as you can see. So it's kind of got this circus jungle vibe, and it's like still quite stylish, because with the boy, I think it's really hard to get really creative and stylish, but like, I think I did a really good job of that.
Yeah, you did. You did excellent job.
I'm not going to tell you guys, but we have something that's going to go in that corner right there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's going there?
something really cool. I kind of wish we didn't do this reveal till I had it. It's alright.
Well, that's stupid.
No, it's fine, because we'll just add it and I'll just upload another photo of it. But I'm loving this. This is my favourite part so far.
It does look good. Georgie, I know you're a little busy, but what do you think?
Oh, I've got a towel down too, just so like my denim doesn't go on the chair. Just so people are like, why is she sitting on a towel?
That's it, guys. This is Georgie's room.
Do you guys love it?
What do you think?
So we finished it the night I went into labour.
yeah, night we went into labour, this is what we were looking at. I do really like the carpet choice, the round one.
Yeah, it like adds to that boho luxe Dior jungle juice vibe.
Oh my god, how can you have about 400 vibes in one?
But they
Anyway,
mesh. I reckon it
I do
meshes.
love it. It looks, the lighting is actually quite better when I look into the mirror, I think. Anyway, we love it. Baby condo.
So the post notification shout outs before Georgie gets really cranky because he needs to finish off his feed. It goes to LB. Hey LB, thank you so much.
LB.
Yeah, LB, that's the name.
LB, what's up?
And the second one is going to, oh my god, I just lost it. Where are you? James Rossello. Condos for life, he hashtagged. You're amazing, James.
What's up?
Thank you so much for following us. So this is Georgie's nursery. Hang on, next step back. We can kind of get it all in, maybe. How cute is it?
Close. Close.
I'm so obsessed. I love
If you
this.
get closer, you get it all in.
Oh, really? Hang on.
Not that close.
Okay. If you guys would like a post notification shout out, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell button and subscribe to our channel, and then comment done in the comments below. And for extra points, you can hashtag the condos on our Instagram account. Oh, Georgie. Oh, he's all red from feeding. Anyway, it's been sweet. It's been swell. It's really hard filming with the baby.
It is really hard, actually.
But this is the witching hour, apparently. It's like in the afternoon, and that's when they get like really cranky, and he like starts to
Look at the little
cluster
cranky face. Cranky sleepy face.
Oh, so cute, Georgie. We love you.
Cranky sleepy.
Oh,
He's asleep.
he's asleep, but he needs to finish his feed. All right, catch you later, condos. We hope you liked this nursery reveal tour. It wasn't too long, and there's little extra things I'm going to add. I'll show you in the future vlogs. Bye for now. Catch you later, condos.
Ciao, ciao.